I'm sat here thinking of you once again. The songs in my head now, they all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine, mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine, shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You are my
And there it is, Blobby 3.0, aka Blobby 3.0 is finally complete, almost. So I left the hood scoop black, but I'm gonna end up wrapping that teal as well. For some reason, okay, so the color is teal. It looks sky blue on camera. I have no idea why, but it is teal. Like if you see it in person, it's super in your face teal. It's just really hard to capture on camera, you know? Like I tried, but I'm not very good with the whole color correction stuff, so if you see it in person, it's straight in your face teal. It just looks sky blue on camera. So that's what me and Adriel were talking about when we revealed the color. Like it looks completely different on camera than when you see it in person, but I think it looks so much better in person. But that is it. I will be wrapping the hood scoop teal to get rid of the black scoop. I just wanted to try it out and see how I do like it, but I think the teal would flow a lot better, especially since I am gonna put the wing back on too. I went wingless for a little bit because I do kind of like the wingless look. I'm not gonna lie, I do appreciate a wingless STi, but I am wrapping the wing still, and I am gonna toss that back on before Subi Fest, which is 6 days away. It's Monday as I'm recording this last outro clip, and we recorded this over the weekend. It was fun. Had a lot of fun. You know, like I still can't believe I wrapped that car in 2 days, man. Like it's not perfect by any means. It's pretty good, but it's not like super perfect. There's a couple things I still do want to fix, but she's looking good. I'm happy. I'm happy with the results. I'm super happy with it. I almost think like, why didn't I go teal the first time? But then I remembered I always wanted a black and gold Blobby. I had that. I got that. I had that. I had black and gold. I had silver and white. And now we are at teal and white, and this is how it's gonna stay for a long time because I do appreciate the teal a lot, and I did miss my teal. Like, teal's one of my favorite colors. Teal and black are like my favorite colors. So teal car, white wheels. That is it for now. I hope everybody who watched this enjoyed this. I don't know if you guessed the color correctly, but if you did, congratulations. I've mentioned teal before from my hatchback. So now we're teal on the Blobby. I will be at Subi Fest. Adriel will be at Subi Fest. Everybody will be at Subi Fest. Everyone that you see on the channel will pretty much be at Subi Fest. Y'all see all the little super group will all be there. So if you're gonna be there, let me know. You can see the car in person. It'll be there. The car will be out there in the parking lot somewhere. It's not gonna be in the show, but it will be in the parking lot somewhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I had a blast making it. I had a blast wrapping the car. I will see you guys probably one more time this week, and then it'll be Subi Fest. So until then, drop those likes and subs, and goodbye.